In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion assignment tracker if you want a simple way to stay on top of schoolwork. Notion is a great tool for building a tracker that keeps everything in one place. The goal is to make it easy to see what assignments you have when they are due and what still needs your attention. Start by creating a new Notion page specifically for your school assignments. Give it a clear title so it is easy to find later. This page will become your main assignment hub, so it helps to keep it focused on school tasks only. Having a dedicated page makes your workspace feel more organized and reduces the chance of important deadlines getting buried. Next, add a table database to the page. This table will hold your full list of assignments, and it works well because you can sort, filter, and update everything quickly. Think of it as the control center for your coursework. Each row will represent one assignment, and each column will store useful details about it. Now add the fields you need to track each assignment properly. Include a field for class so you know which subject the work belongs to. Add a due date field so you can keep all deadlines visible at a glance. Create a status field to show where each assignment stands, a priority field to help you decide what needs attention first, and a notes field for extra details like instructions, reminders, or anything else you want to remember. Once your fields are ready, begin entering the deadline for each assignment in the due date column. This step is especially important because your tracker becomes much more useful when every task has a clear date attached to it. Try to enter deadlines as soon as you receive an assignment so your tracker stays accurate and current. For the status field, use clear options such as not started, in progress, submitted, or done. These labels make it easy to understand your progress without needing to open every item. Keeping statuses updated regularly gives you a quick visual check of what still needs work and what has already been completed. After that, create different views for your database. Set up one for upcoming assignments so you can focus on what is coming soon. Create another for overdue work so nothing slips through the cracks. Then make a completed view for finished assignments, which helps keep your main workspace cleaner while still saving your records. Finally, review your tracker every day so you do not miss deadlines. A daily check only takes a minute, but it can make a huge difference in staying organized and reducing stress. The more consistently you use your tracker, the more helpful it becomes.